So now let's see how we can add in Google Meet conference to events directly from Google Calendar. So in order to do that, I'm going to take an event right here, just like this. I'm going to click on it. And then over here, you can see that this event has a Google Meet conference. So people can actually click here and then access Google Meet so that they can stay for the online video conference. Then over here in some of the event, you see that I do not have that option. So I'm going to go around into edit, and what you need to simply do is click on add Google Meet video conferencing, and what happens is that video meet conferencing gets added, and you'll have to hit save. And since this is a linked event, it is asking whether you want to make the change in this particular event or all of the events. So I'm going to go around and click all events, and I'm going to press OK, and now the conference has been added as you can see right here. So now once it's time to open up the event, then you can simply click on join with Google Meet, and what happens is that this opens up right here, and then the link opens up, and all the participants will be able to join out that meeting link right there, so they can access it out from over here. They can start the meeting. You can also view my tutorial on Google Meet, which you can access from my playlist to learn more about it. So that is how you can add in Google Meet conference events inside of Google Calendar. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.